Hi there, I'm Sam Wilkinson, one of the education consultants here at Elementary Technology, the only AVer Platinum partner in the UK. Today we're going to take a look at the AVer U50, which is their entry-level USB visualizer. The AVer U50 is an entry-level USB visualizer. It's an excellent piece of equipment for teaching and learning and suits all key stages and all subjects as well. When you receive your AVer U50, inside you will have the visualizer itself, like so, and a cable, and you're good to go and use it. As you can see, the AVer U50 is a small form factor, lightweight, ultra-portable visualizer. Once you open it with its gooseneck head, you've got 3 buttons on the top, which include a camera, a light, and an autofocus, so you've got some key teaching elements ready to use straight away. The AVer U50 comes with AVer's rich teaching and learning software called AVer Touch, which allows you to use such key teaching methods as Waggle, peer assessment, live marking, and front-end feedback. Once paired with the software, it gives you access to the Visualiser's digital zoom, which allows you to see things in finer detail. Another element of the software is the split screen option. This allows you to peer assess and live mark with ease. If you require any further information or would like a more hands-on experience, feel free to contact us via phone or email. If you already have an AVer U50, we'll be sharing more content online on how you can get the most out of this technology in your classroom.